Your next car could be the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.